Old backhoe. She's almost there. We got everything put back together, started filling it up. Noticed it was streaming out, half a gallon. Like, as soon as we dump half a gallon, it started streaming out. And we're like, what? Bottom of that new radiator, there's a petcock for draining it. That petcock was just, didn't have a closed option on it. So we're filling it up, getting it filled up, did a pressure test on it. Everything seems to be okay with this radiator. Cooler's back hooked up, getting that. Got to get a couple supports from Caterpillar to get it all back working. The design is just terrible on this machine. As soon as you raise the bucket up, it's just all exposed and it just runs. Those tarp arms on the sides of those dump trucks, they stick out 6, 8, 10 inches past those edges of the dump trucks, and they just dead center the grill of that. It's been redone 2 or 3 times, but hopefully it's the last time it's getting redone for a long time. Come on. Sam, yesterday we had a little bit of rain come through. This front lot here connected to the highway, you guys have seen it used for multiple purposes. Thought about it being our home at some point, but I don't think that's going to be the case. It's beautiful right here on the highway. We're going to get it all cleaned up, get it up for sale. Absolutely. Another business will come in right next to Dollar General eventually. It's just so small. I love the frontage, I love etc., but it's just so small. But Sam slicked her up. We've got some of the tornado debris still lacking, getting that pushed up, burning, etc. Then we're moving on to go check out some jobbers today. Man, it's hot. It's sticky. It's like not even hot. It's just sticky. And I hate it. A couple weeks ago, we had like 102, 105 degree heat. You stood in the shade, it was like 70. It was nothing. It was super dry heat. Not normal for this area, but Mother Nature is sending us the stickiness right now. Right now. Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather?
Cold weather.
Why?
Because it's too damn hot.
It's all about heat today, channel. Come on.
Too damn hot.
Do you prefer cold or hot weather? Working
Cold.
as a blue-collar man.
Cold, 100%.
Why?
I can take these pants and the
That's
shirt
right.
off.
I'm with him, 100%.
When you're fat, you like the cold. If you're skinny, it's not that big of a deal.
Driving the bus, and I keep making sure the green lights are ahead of you for the next mile. We'll keep clicking right along, dude. Just need a few of these to pop.
Yep, they're going to.
But yeah.
All at once, and we're gonna be scrambling.
100%. We're gonna be begging for 70 and rain, and oh, but it'll be good right here for the tail end of the year. I'm excited. It's gonna be an easy vacation for you though, because you know nothing really can majorly blow up. Hopefully, or did we just jinx it?
But no, I was telling Nate this morning, who was I telling this morning? I was telling someone, like, my phone is getting shut off. I was telling Cecil. So my phone is getting shut off, and I'll leave here, and it ain't coming back on until Monday morning. So
good, bro. Good. I'm glad.
I'm just kidding. I'll have it on me if you need me.
No, look at him. No, I'm telling you, dude. I want you to go have a good time, and I won't be bugging you. It'll be me and Zeus, and just explain Zeus that we got to keep staying one step ahead and kind of tell him what you've been doing. I mean, he's been doing the exact same thing in a different format, and
Yeah.
we just need to keep gas pedal down some way, somehow. Come on. Gas pipe situation from last week, right here below my feet. We come upon this. There's a manhole going right here. We didn't quite know. We've been waiting to hear basically what the plan is, etc. We got it dug out. I'm just wondering if the city's not going to want it 5 foot that way. We're waiting on engineer approval. This week we have been fighting the heat, #1. Oh my God. But honestly, today has been unreal. Today's been beautiful. Yesterday we had a little bit of rain come through, kind of put a dent in the week. I'm waiting on like 5 or 6 different answers, trying to put my foot up on people's necks non-stop, or you know, other places. At the same time, just trying to get freaking answers. That's all I need. I need some answers. Let these boys go to work, and man, they do good looking work. Manhole's going right there, but I'm a little afraid that driveway may be going right here, and we need to look at that. And so we're gonna go over to JB, look at that, talk to these guys. Those guys are over there. We're gonna ask him straight away. Dakota.
Hi.
Do you like the hot or cold? Would you rather hot or cold as a blue collar worker?
I'm a hot person all day long. Fuck the cold.
Whee!
So are they demoing that garage over on 5th Street?
I just made a call on that.
I know.
He eats it up. Marcos eats it up. Oh, pinche way. Anyways, okay, what I'm getting at is let's kind of make a push on that and see if I can't get some equipment drops so they can at least be pushing trees together. And Pregunta, señor.
Tell me. You can tell me anything that you want.
Frío or caliente working for trabajo?
For me?
Yeah.
For my opinion?
Yes.
Let me tell you two, don't matter. For me, don't matter raining, ice or tornado, don't worry about it. If the people they want to work, I go to work.
Alright, let's get a plan together.
Because if we come and only me, what we do? Just drive the machine and run and what we do?
It's golden.
Not only one people, he can do anything.
Nate,
He need to work together.
you smell trying to look busy.
Hey, Pumba! Pumba!
Aquí, señor. Hey, Nate.
Look the difference the answer. You can hear ask the same question.
Okay, okay. Hey, Nate.
Pumba, come on. He have a good
right,
question
Nate.
for you.
Yeah.
In the blue collar, outside working
Te habla que te
temperatures,
hace unas preguntas.
would you rather
No, el
be
patrón,
cold or
no.
hot, my guy?
I'm a cold guy.
Me
I
too.
don't enjoy, as crazy as it is, I don't even like being hot at my house. Even
know.
even in winter, I'm more of a chilled down guy.
Me too.
I don't enjoy the sweating. I don't enjoy the absolute fatigue. I like to be able to breathe.
Me too. You can
So
take
I
clothes
prefer
off, right?
exactly. I prefer to freaking keep it cold.
Pregunta, señor.
Patrón.
Para trabajo, frío or caliente?
Cold.
Yeah, he's a cold guy. Because you can throw some.
Frío mucho.
Yeah.
See,
Mucho bueno.
when you buy like a meat,
Yeah.
if you not put on the freezer, they compose easily.
Yeah.
More better, mucho mejor frío.
Everything's better when
Sí,
it's cold.
mucho mejor frío. Sí.
We're making a video about the heat, and it sucks to work in the heat, but it's
Pero
78 degrees today.
I love my job.
He loves his job.
I love my
I
job.
love having all you guys. I wish
love
we were a little
I love cyclone.
cyclone. I wish we were heading fishing.
This one I love cyclone.
De
I
amor?
love my job.
They all love their jobs. Look at all these.
No,
Okay.
bien.
Okay. See? Ask the question in Spanish. Step it up.
Sí, muy bien.
Hey, Nick, blue collar, working outside sucks. Would you rather it cold or hot?
Cold.
Yep. Because you can throw clothes on?
Oh yeah.
Rusty?
Cold.
Same thing. Zeus?
I think cold.
Cold.
Legally.
When you buy a meat or something,
We all hate the
if you
heat.
leave it outside, they decompose.
See?
The cold keep everything Yeah,
But at the
cold.
same time, we're all built like baked potatoes, so it kind of makes our lives a little easier for it to be cold.
Patron, he need more insulation.
Yeah.
More insulation.
That's your problem. You ain't a fat
need more-
guy.
Uh-huh.
Muy gordo, señor.
That's a good insulation.
Me